Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reacting to the last episode of Chainsaw Man. I think we can all agree that this series has taken me the longest to finish. Mostly because it's my fault. It's all my fault. But we are at the final episode. Last time we had Aki fighting the snake girl, and he also had the future devil with him, but he didn't use the powers the devil provides him. I don't know why. He's in a little bit of a sticky situation with that little snake devil from that girl, so we're gonna kind of wait and see what happens with that. I truly enjoyed the show. I'm just very disappointed with not me uploading as frequently as I could with this series. Yeah, so let's go ahead and finish this episode, and then I'll give my thoughts at the end and continue further. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Sit back, relax. Let's get started on today's reaction video. Choice of drink today, orange juice. The chokehold that orange juice has on me is insane. I mean, if we're being real, Aki has to do something, right? Like, he has to use the devil's future powers in order to maybe see how he can defeat the snake thing. Rest in peace to our girl. Again, look at that food. It looks so immaculate. Maybe some type of ramen, it looks like. If we're being honest though, if she would have been able to survive somehow, I think both of them would have made a very good couple with each other. Yo, hey yo, that's a little unhinged, bro. How did he just end up destroying all them hands though? What was that? A fist? Not the cigar, not the cigarette. Is that her? Is that her? No way, bro. No way. I have so many questions right now. Easy revenge. I am distraught. Is the snake letting Aki just kill it off? Nah, dude, this is insane. So my question is, did a part of her existence somehow manifest into that snake devil somehow? Ooh, who is that? Ooh, they quick. Interesting. I mean, hey, bonuses do be hidden, especially when you gotta pay bills, bro. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Finally, we got to see the main character back in action. It's been a hot minute, bro. This man's just been playing on the sidelines this whole last 2 to 3 episodes. Oh. A bunch of dead zombies and stuff, you know, no biggie. It's like, just go up the next floor, bro. She does not care for her life. You see how appalled Denji looks on the back? He's like, bruh. Oh, and he stayed in the elevator too. He's like, nah, dude, I don't got time for this. I'm just gonna meet you up next floor. You can take care of everybody else. The fact that she still thinks that Denji's behind her. Yo, you gotta give it to her though. She is throwing hands. But Denji's like, again, I'm just gonna wait for you on the next floor. I ain't got time for this. Oh, he's ready to throw hands too. Ooh. Let's have a chat, yeah? After you damn near try to kill me?
お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。 てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。学歴のねえ
Yeah, they're dead, bro.
嘘つきやがる。元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛い。
Yes, but here's the thing: they're not people anymore. They're zombies.
そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだ。
Man, let's be honest, bro. If you're in a zombie apocalypse or something, and you're over here getting nightmares about
殺されねえわ。
killing the zombies, dude, you just gotta be real. It's either you or the zombies. You know what I mean? Like, it's one or the other.
やだ。
He's like, nah, I'm good, bro. Finally. It's like round 2 again.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
God damn. I think he's like more versatile than Denji is, but the thing with Denji is that he has this thing about him where he doesn't give up, so I feel that also makes him stronger. Like the more he gets hit, the more he gets motivated to fight even more, you know? But again, Katana Man, Katana Devil, that boy don't play no games.
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ
That's right.
お前は何のために戦ってる？
Yo, that
この
practice
生
with
活を
Kushida.
お前は俺には勝てね
あもう勝ったつもりでいんのか。俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。雑魚が！
The fighting in this is so good. Like you can tell that there's hints of CGI in this, but it doesn't overwhelm with everything that's going on. Like there's some shows with CGI that's just it throws everything off, right? Like it can either be a hit or a miss. Damn! God damn, bro. Denji needs to beat him here somehow, though. I don't know how he's gonna do it, and I hope he does it, but he really does have to like defeat him right here. It's like, oh, there's people here, bro. Dude. Here he comes again. You better be ready, bro.
禁止にしようぜそれ。
Another arm. Oh, bro.
終わりだ。
Yeah, it's not looking too hot for him, I'm not gonna lie.
じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
Nah, man. If I'm dying at this point, I'm just gonna say fuck you. Go fuck yourself.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
Denji got that dog in him. That's what he got. He just did that same move again, though. Did he get him, or did he actually get Katana Man?
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。
Not the chainsaw.
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーカ。
Ooh, bro.
じじいに教わらなかったか。
He actually did it. This guy actually did it.
信じるなってな。
When did that even happen? I thought he was a goner. Once his left and right arm were gone, I'm like, yeah, there's no way that he's just gonna be able to defeat him with just the head.
目が覚めたか。やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。
ぶっ殺してやら。
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを
AKA him, because he's always losing
ずっと待っ
too.
てなきゃなんだけどてめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。
What if he's like, what if we work together?
今から大会を開く。
Contest. That is not what I was expecting him to say.
あ、いいとこに来たな。
Aki.
早川の先輩も参加するか。最強の大会によ。お前は何を言ってんだ。
Yeah, what kind of contest is this? It's gonna be something
こいつ
outlandish.
は姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。
Oi, oi, oi.
大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって。
Nut
来る
shots.
までに 一番でけえ悲鳴を出す。
Oh my god. Say yes, bro.
こいつを捕まえることだ。
You caught him already. Job is done.
嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって、姫野先輩は。
Oh, I thought he was gonna be like, but you know what? I guess I'm in. Aki has a good head on his shoulder, though. He's a good guy. Aki's a good guy. You gotta give it to him. Damn, bro. I really thought that they were gonna go with this contest, though. I really thought Aki was gonna have a change of opinion on this.
勝ったら何くれんだ。
Oh! Oh shit!
こいつの玉金や。
They're actually gonna go through with this. Okay. And I don't even feel bad for the guy, bro. He killed so many people too. Dunzo. It's pretty much done. They caught the main people already. Oh, bro, he's getting clocked.
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。
And they're both having such a good time too. I know she's laughing it up there too.
元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が10の悪魔と契約し、
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった。
Yeah, what's the goal with
それ
him?
が聞き出す前に。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
つい
The main body.
どこに向かって動いた。
What are they talking about? So they didn't even get to question the girl. They just committed suicide because it breached a term in the contract with the devil or something like that, right? But I am confused. I just want more answers. The three of them make a good team, though. You have the adult one, aka Aki. You have the child one. Well, yeah, technically you got two children. And as much as they hate to say it, they got each other's back. And they're like, look, a cat! They got a cat in there now! He's gonna smoke that exact one. In memory of Himeno, lighting up cigarette for you. Is this really how the show ends right now, though? Like, it's so unproblematic. Well, not that I want problems with the show, it's just I was expecting more. I thought there'd be more, maybe more hints at maybe to the next season of what we're looking for, or maybe it's not even over and we're here just yapping. I think this is Denji dreaming. That's definitely Denji. He's dreaming right now, but why is he dreaming? He looks like he's a little younger too.
いつも見る夢だ。デンジ。落ちた。
Pochita.
出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。デンジ。絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Why not? If he opens that door in the dream, I'm assuming something happens in real life.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Well, that was the last episode of Chainsaw Man for the first season. I know there's gonna be another season. I was expecting a little bit more detail. Maybe it's just me, but I was expecting a little bit more, maybe to get an idea of what to expect for the second season. I think the only context clues that we got from this last bit of scenery right here was the fact that he's having a dream with Pochita. But it seems like Pochita is trapped or locked on the other side of that door, and she's like, you cannot open that door unless it was not specifically that door that's in the dream, but maybe the door from which this girl came from at the very end, and maybe she's trying to visit Denji, and you know, Pochita's like, yo, don't open that door. That girl arrives because something bad is gonna happen probably. Or it could be, don't open the door in the dream, because if you open it, maybe the devil's gonna overtake Denji's heart officially. I don't know, or just take over Denji's body and his whole being as a whole. I don't know, bro. Despite taking a while to really get through this show. I really did enjoy it though. I enjoyed the story, I enjoyed the characters a lot. I enjoyed it as a whole, and hopefully you guys did too. I know it's one of the most popular ones from the newest ones that just came out not too long ago, and I can see why. Thank you to all of you that still come here to watch me finish this series. I know it's been such a long time, dude, and I get it, but we got it done, and I'm really happy to officially finish this series so we can get started onto something else. And I appreciate all the support, all the love that you guys have always given me. But this is gonna be where we leave off for today's episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'm gonna leave all my socials down below, and I'll see you guys in for the next reaction video.